So, welcome everyone. Today is another session of a person who has joined our course and he found it useful. He's already an investor, but how this course was helpful, let's try to understand from him. Welcome, Narayanan sir. Thank you for joining today and sharing your success story. So, please introduce yourselves.
Thank you for calling me. I am CB Narayanan. I have been in service for over 40 years. I have worked with companies like Nelco, Philips. Then I was in Videocon. I started Videocon in the Eastern Zone. I was with the Kaitan Appliances Division, Kaitan Fan Companies, Appliances Division. I was heading that division for about 5.5 years. Then I went to the Banga Group to start a new division for them in electricals and appliances. I started the division. I was with them for about 3.5 years. I had introduced almost about 140 SKUs in appliances and electric fans.
Wow.
Plus, I introduced a new division lighting with LED lighting for them. Then, as my contract was over, and I decided that's enough is enough for my service life, I wanted to retire and come back to Coimbatore, where I have my house.
Awesome.
All along, I've been in Calcutta, Mumbai, and in North, excepting for maybe 1.5 to 2 years in Chennai. I have become a non-Tamilian by the way of travel, but I've always been associated with the Tamil community. I was the president of Bharati Tamil Sangam in Calcutta. I was vice president in South India Club. I have been
Okay.
having my social circle basically around this.
Okay.
I have been a investor not knowing what investing is.
Okay.
I can say rather than an investor, I have been dabbling in shares. Buying
Got it.
shares and keeping them on the loft is the right word to say. Expecting that, oh, at the retirement time, they will give me benefit. And as I told, I have been working in the various companies where my
Right.
colleagues are from different groups like Gujaratis and Marwadis, who are very much interested in shares. And by virtue of
Exactly.
their magnetism, I have got involved and I have been dabbling in shares. I did not know at that point of time what trading and what investing is.
Okay.
I have been investing in some mutual funds. I have had my share of burning of my fingers.
Okay.
I have invested in shares. I have burned my fingers in that. Then after retirement, when I was having a little bit of idle time,
Okay.
I thought I'll do some trading based on some of the companies which have been approaching me, seeing my DP ID, they have been seeing and calling me and doing that. With one of the
Right.
companies, I joined. I paid them almost about 12,000 rupees for their paid service.
Okay.
And
Okay.
every other day they used to give tips.
Okay.
And I used to keep playing. I had kept an amount of about 5 lakhs for investment on that. So I have been making money. It's not that I've been making money. Every other day I used to make money.
Okay. Okay.
But one particular day, the one tip they gave was so convincing, and I had put in money. And it, when I say people will not even believe, it was more like a racing or addiction, I should say, if I have to put it a little bluntly. That yes,
Exactly.
buy, cover the loss, cover the loss, cover the loss. So that was happening at some point of time. I found that I have to take delivery and or I'll lose major amount.
Okay.
So I decided, and I almost lost close to 5 lakhs.
Oh.
Now that's the time I decided, look, this is something which I don't understand, and I am believing somebody. So I should not put any money in this. I should first understand this. Now I was just thinking about it. Luckily, I had my savings, and
Okay.
I could
Okay.
play it. This was a part of
Okay.
my money which I have saved. But had it been a necessity of it was my life saving if I had put,
That would
then
be
that would
very
have been bad.
dangerous.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, luckily, my son and daughter also established they are working. I don't have any dependents excepting me and my wife. So I could take that pain. It's a
Okay.
hard pain, but I could
Correct.
take it.
Correct. Still,
But
still,
not
yes.
not many people can stand it.
5 lakhs is a huge amount. Yes.
Huge amount, huge amount, hard-earned money. So I felt very bad. So what I did is the first and foremost, I stopped my trading account.
Okay.
I had put it into Lambo. I said, unless otherwise I understand, I will not put money. That's a oath I took.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
I became member in quite a few other communities which gives tips.
Okay. Okay.
Every other day somebody will say, I'm giving tips, I'm giving tips. So
Okay.
I started studying all these tips
Got it.
without investing money. I spent time in analyzing and understanding what exactly this trading is.
Okay.
Then I came to know what is intraday trading, what is positional trading. I started understanding them a little bit. What is
Okay.
head and shoulder? What is this? What is that? All that I started understanding. I also found a hard truth that
Yes.
nobody gives you a free lunch. Everybody,
Perfect.
when they give you a tip, there is an ulterior motive in that.
Perfect.
Now, by understanding this, by trying to understand how much of shares I've got at what price before these people gave me the tip,
Correct.
and what happens after that for a short period, then how it comes down is something which I try to analyze, not with one advisory, but was
But with
with
many.
7 or 8 advisories.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you did all the
As I,
analysis.
yes, I was a retired person. I had enough time to laze around, and I was doing this. I am not very keen on my accounts. I am not. It's one of my bad subjects, or I don't have a love towards. If I have to put it a little bluntly.
I understand.
But
Yes. Even
then
I
basic
was
mathematics I am good. But
not with
I
company
won't.
accounts, kind of. Yeah.
Yes, and I don't want to lose money also at the same time. Whatever little I have, I want to ensure that my capital is protected. Plus, I make whatever is better rather than your bank interest or FD interest.
Right. Right.
People came to me with chit funds and all. I had a very bad experience at my early stage, so I did
Correct.
not invest in chit funds. During that period, in one of the this one, I saw your advertisement in
Facebook.
uh,
Facebook.
Facebook. Then Sate also gave me this one. They've also been following up with me. Now, I thought maybe for whatever reasons, I thought I'll join your course. And one comfort I thought is maybe this is going to be in my mother tongue.
Okay.
Tamil பேசுறீங்கன்ற ஒரு இது இருந்ததுனால I said, why
Okay.
not? Why not try it? I also went into your background and checked about it.
Okay.
So I thought, yes, let me find out. And I joined your course.
Okay.
Now, one thing I am being very open. I may be critical. Please don't mind.
Yes, please.
I am the thing which I like the most about your course is your classes, what you conduct as the master classes.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thanks for sharing.
I
that.
have attended all the master classes. With my other time limitations, I am being open, I am being honest that I have not completely studied your files. I have read your files. There's a difference between studying the files, understanding the files,
And going through
using them. Yeah, and just going through. I have gone through your files. I have gone through your master classes. I have understood your master classes.
Got it.
I must appreciate they were in very simple language, a common language which any commoner can understand.
Okay.
That's something
Okay.
I like the most. And I would request you to keep it up.
Thank you. Thanks for that. Yeah, sure. Definitely.
The second thing which I would like to compliment you on is invariably, as I said, every other person who conducts a class has got an ulterior motive.
Okay.
The ulterior motive of pushing the shares where he has gotten some stance
He
or
already
where he's
invested.
got some holding, whatever it is, they're invested. Now, when I asked you about it, in fact, I did test you
Okay.
by giving
Okay.
you one or two. I asked you one or two shares, trying to understand what you will tell when people are asking. Like
Yes.
you were telling and you were analyzing the shares, but you are always maintaining it's your success or your funeral.
Correct.
I can only
Correct.
give you the guidelines. You go as per the guideline, you will be there.
Right.
This is what we say in systems and operations. I'm expert in systems and operations. Now the results come out of what systems and operations you adopt. It's
Correct.
something we
Correct.
do. I do a SOP for MSME and SMEs. So that's something which I liked.
Okay. Okay.
So I said I did not miss even one single class of you, except in
Yes, I remember.
one master class I attended because I got involved in a Zoom call with where almost about 17 country people were participating. I could not come out of it.
That's okay. Yeah.
So luckily, the next session you allowed me of the same class, I did attend, and I have completed all your master classes. But being lazy enough, maybe I have not sent you some of the reports. As I told you, I have made the company's list. I made it how this one is. I put the P ratio. I put this one, but I have not made it and sent it to you to get the certificate.
Okay. Okay.
But that certificate, what you're giving is something really good. I would also like to take it. Definitely, anybody likes a pat on the back, and this is something which you're doing is good. Please continue doing it.
Awesome.
I have had experiences of this one, contrarian trading. I have had experience of your qualitative trading. Now, maybe I was doing some of them knowingly or unknowingly. Now I have started doing that more scientifically.
Correct. Correct.
Like when I was child, when fever comes, if somebody says paracetamol, I used to take paracetamol. When I was grown, I used to know as to why paracetamol is given, why not aspirin. What is the difference? And I'm not a doctor, but I know what it is. And
Right.
maybe that's the reason why, I'm changing lifestyle also. Now, like that, I could understand your this one. I could relate it to the subject and say this is
Yes.
what it is. It has helped me in certain shares which I bought, like HUL,
Okay.
then Britannia,
Okay. So,
LIC Housing Finance with the contrarian trading I did, which helped me.
okay.
Now I am able to understand. Like I was at some point of time, I was about to sell the Britannia.
Okay.
I did not sell
Say
it
about that
based on your
point, like
thing.
when you are about to sell. Say about that point, like when you are about to sell, and how did you understand that contrarian?
When it came to see contrarian LSA housing, when the results were bad and when every other housing company came below, I bought it out somewhere around 380 rupees or something.
Okay.
It came to 350. I bought it. Then it came to almost about, I don't remember the exact figure, somewhere
That's
around
okay.
200 plus figure it was. So at that time, I decided I'll invest heavily on that. I bought almost about, initially I bought only 50 or 100 shares. I bought almost about 800 shares to cover it up. And today it's somewhere in the region of 350 and all that. Still, I'm not selling it, knowing well it is going to go up.
It's going to go. Okay. Okay. Got it.
So I'm holding that. Similarly, Britannia, I had bought it somewhere around 3200 or 3100. Then it went to 3600. I sold a portion of it. Then I was about to sell it and make money. When I had attended your classes, I understood no, this has got value to go up to 3800 or whatever it is. That's my estimation. Maybe it's wrong. I don't know. My estimation is to go to 3800. But today it has fallen to somewhere around 34 or 3440, whatever it is. Earlier circumstances, I would have dumped the shares.
Okay.
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 There is 100, 200 rupees profit. Jane do. And typically, like in the Marwadi company, they say, Aate mein ghato nahi na, that you are not losing your atta. Na. So that's the language they used to say.
Okay.
So my trend would have been dump it and make the 200 rupees. At least that's better. Today I'm telling no, the 200 rupees is not there. I'll make my 400 rupees, 500 rupees, whatever.
Okay.
Similarly
Got it.
in Hindustan Unilever. So like that, there are quite a few places like ICICA. I'm waiting.
Okay.
I bought them at 520, 560. I'm waiting for them to come. ITC, I'm waiting. So there are
Okay.
quite a few shares where I'm applying the values you have given
Okay.
and
Got it.
trying to do it.
Okay. I think you explained everything about like an introduction, starting with an introduction and about the course also. So I'd like to go deeper and ask something like you said you started with trading and now you're almost into investing. So what will be your advice for people who still loves about trading and they lose money over a period of time? What will be your one advice or what you would like to share about that?
See, I will not be advising anybody because I have tried to advise people who go for races. Right? Now, I have very close friends of mine who make money also in trading. I don't say no.
Yes.
But then they also lose heavily. I know of cases where people have lost their house. They have pledged their house and lost their house. So the first thing that happened to me when I lost 5 lakhs is this is the first step of my addiction, like liquor or trading. Social drinking, I'm not against. But addiction is something which is bad.
Very bad. Yes.
You get addicted when you start doing this, and it is, in my opinion, maybe I was a weak minded, but in my
That's okay.
opinion,
Yeah.
I fell into a trance type of a thing and I used to run behind it. Now, it is not the money I lost, it is the common sense which was lost, was a big hit to me. That was a hit to my ego, that somebody could, make me a fool.
Right. So you already.
I started my career as a salesman, a street salesman, and I grew to a level of CEO.
Yes.
A hard way.
Awesome.
So I have seen plus and minus in my life. I have seen many defeats, many successes. I believe losing is nothing. Losing is the first stage on your education. If you can
Correct.
take your lessons from that, understand your strength and work on that, analyze your weakness. I do my SWOT on everything. Being a salesperson, I do SWOT
Right.
everywhere.
Right. Perfect.
So I do that, and I said, this is not my cup of tea. And I don't. There are people who spend, who invest about 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs every day on trading. It's not my cup of tea. I get dragged on to it. So I
Right.
decided I will not. Now, if you have limited money, if that is going to be, if you're thinking that it as a source of your income, then sorry, please, never, never do it.
Never do that. Yes. Perfect.
Now, being a professional trader is something different. There also, unless otherwise you're strong in the subject, and your mathematics and your arithmetic, I would not suggest. Now that I am in a member of 7, 8 paid groups and almost about 8, 10 voluntary groups, I keep WhatsApp has made it easy. Telegram has made it easy. I keep seeing that whenever I have free time. I understand how it operates, and I would not get into that unless otherwise I want to screw up my health, because my BP keeps going up and down when I see that. I won't do it.
I was about
And
to
I
ask.
wish everybody to do that.
I was about to ask, like, how was the feeling like when your money was going down? So you're been as a salesman and grew into a CEO. So losing 5 lakhs, it's a big amount. Either as a CEO or as a normal person, you already explained, like, if you're with limited money, don't do it. But with that money and losing on a one particular day, that too on a one particular day, I was also shocked. You said your BP was going up. Like, how was your feeling and what did you decide on that day? I will not get into stock market again. Was that decision you made?
See, if I have to put it a little crudely on a layman's language, it's something like you have one peg, it's good. You have a second peg, it's good, right?
Okay.
But when you start drinking it, you don't understand what it is, and you don't know what you're doing.
Correct.
You fall into the trap. It is as bad as that. Because in my work, because of the work necessities, I've had this one of social drinking. I am knowing fully well the effects of that on the health, but that was social drinking. But the day it becomes a drinking, how it kills, and the
Everyone
way
knows.
it kills you when you become a drunkard, how it is.
Yes.
Your trading is a drunkard drinking, if I have to put it crudely. Like in the morning and evening, you start getting into it. You don't look at the quality of the stock. You have to drink is the thing. You have to trade is the thing. That's the thing which comes into
Somehow
you.
you need to do.
It's something like a very bad thing, and your BP gets high and high and high. Your relationship with the family goes for a toss. Anybody comes and asks you anything at that time, you start shouting at them.
Yes.
That's why I compared it with the drinking.
Yes, losing money.
It's a bad addiction.
Yes.
It's a bad addiction. It's a bad addiction.
Okay, thanks for being very crude and very clear. And I understand with your experience, you have seen so many people and you have seen all the, mostly the Gujaratis, and they are almost said that they make money in stock market. So you had seen them and you had seen being part of the what paid WhatsApp group, paid Telegram groups, and still saying that don't get into trading and do investing alone in stock market.
Yes.
Thanks for that. So one thing is like, what you will recommend for new people about this course? Will you ask them to join for whatever you had been there, no, almost like 4-5 months you are inside the course? So what will be your advice for people who are coming in?
I would definitely like them to join. I would definitely like them to understand, and I will ask them to do the second course also, which you had told last trip.
Yes.
I did not do it for the simple reason. I would love to do it, but as I told, I've just floated 2 companies, and parenting them is going to take time. And with the second company, which I have floated, life of almost about 6-7 people who are on poverty line or below poverty line is involved. So I would not like to risk that. So once I bring them to a particular stage where they will start running on their own, I'll be able to spare some more time and get into this and get into my passion again.
Awesome. All the best for that most beautiful thing to do, and bringing them up in life, 6 to 7 people. That's a great thing to do. All the best. And you said you're already retired and been a CEO and everything. So what would you advise for people? Again, I'm asking again because with your experience, you can say, is it possible to get financial freedom? Because I used to say in webinars, people used to ask and they will be going, yes, I need. But is it possible to get financial freedom by investing in stock market? Investing, not trading.
It is 100% possible to get financial freedom by investing in stocks. And I can vouch for it for the simple reason, without that much of knowledge about it, if I have saved my retirement with that money, if I could take risk of 5 lakhs and sit tight, in between I was without a job for 2 years, close to 2 years, I could take the risk of that. I could, hold the family and hold the entire thing with my investments in share markets only. Like I would today, having gone through this, suggest to people, review your portfolio every now and then.
Okay.
I had an opinion that like you buy a stock, you keep it on the loft, it will grow.
Okay.
But I have lost in companies like Videocon International. Having worked in that company, I bought Videocon International shares and Videocon Narmada shares a lot, Videocon Appliances shares a lot, and kept it in the loft. They have not even worth the paper which I have to put it today to the Radiwala. So don't do that mistake. It is 100% and more than 100% possible to invest and take money for your retirement from these investments.
Okay.
No doubt about it. Do it in a scientific way. Understand the subject so that your returns are better. My returns were bad for the simple reason I was not doing it in a scientific way. I did not understand, but I knew somewhere down the line. Now that I remember, thanks to HSBC Bank, Wealth Management Division, they were the first people who had called me. They had a wealth management division at the time.
Yes.
They were the first people who made me get into mutual funds.
Okay.
And that's how I got my interest into the share market.
Okay. That's a beginning. Yes, correct.
So that was the beginning, and that's how I came into. And I still remember Pioneer, Kothari Pioneer was one of the first mutual funds in India.
Correct.
Where I had invested. So I know how much they gave results, how much they grew. But with the current market conditions and whatever it is, you may not be able to expect growth of that much, but definitely you can expect the type of growth what you have been predicting, which have been practical.
Right.
Assuming that you make in 60% of the stocks and lose in 40% of the stocks also, you can make a decent return to take care of your retirement.
Awesome. Awesome. Being very practical. Thanks for sharing that. So one last question.
Yeah.
In the course, I talk about qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis, and applying contrarian as a approach towards finding a good stock and make money, right? So do you think, is it more than enough for anybody to find a good quality stock and make money in the short term as well as create wealth?
See, what you have learned is just a fistful, but it's an ocean, right? From the fistful, what I have understood is that, yes, whatever you are suggesting is more than sufficient to make for your retirement fund. There is no doubt about it. If they can apply it logically, understand and do it, enough and more is there. In fact, both my son and daughter also have introduced them to this saving through this investments. They are also doing it.
Okay.
I am happy about it, and they have also had their successes attending various other classes. I do discuss with them about the classes they have attended, the class I have attended. I would definitely suggest people, not because I have attended and not because I'm talking to you on this.
Okay.
I am being a critical person. What I feel, I tell on the face. That has been my strength and weakness during my career also. I continue doing that. I earn enough friends and enough enemies also because of that.
Being CEO, I understand.
I understand that you are this one, and yours is in a common language which people can understand. If they can do it, they will be successful. If they understand, analyze, spend a little time on that, they will be able to make definite money.
Awesome. Awesome. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot for sparing your time. And in spite of having two companies launching at this time, wish you all the best for both the companies to grow to the next level. And I'm sure with your experience, you'll be able to do. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. One closing thing is,
yeah,
whatever I have earned so far, whatever I said, my habit is, I think it is not mine. I'm being very open. That's how I look at life.
Okay.
Now, this month, if I have to make for my expenses, how I make is what I look at. Okay. Which means if I am spending maybe 20,000 or 30,000 in my startup, that plus my expenses I have to make from my other income, including shares. Okay. So that's how I look at it. So I take a portion of it, and even after retirement, even after having my corpus, I make money out of it. I make more in a scientific way from what you said, and I'll continue doing it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing that. And I think it's a beautiful tip for all the business owners right now also, because they do the same mistake. They just take and they just make a mess of whatever they are earning, and they were not clear after 5 years. So whatever you said is a perfect tip for all the business owners also. Thank you so much for sharing that.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.